It's Chaos from Chi-Town.
Hey, Luke13 FGW here. I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to customize your YouTube channel using the template we made in my last video. So first thing you want to do is open up Photoshop and then open up the template that we made in the last video, and then you have to get started. First thing that you're probably going to want to do is the background. So where all this black area is here, I'm going to give it sort of like a cloud effect. Don't know if you guys will want it, but that's what I'm going to do. So first thing, I'm just going to go choose a color. I want a nice dark purple. Choose there. And then what you want to do is make a new layer down at the bottom. And then you want to go up to filter, render clouds, and it should give you this sort of effect. If you want the white spots there to be like black or another color, you just choose your secondary color here, change it, and then go back, filter, render clouds, and it'll end up like that. I personally like the black a bit better than the white, but you know, it's your own choice. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the video box, just because I don't really see a point in having it there. And then I am going to drag the header, the top box, this bit here. I'm going to drag that layer up to the top, and then all my other boxes I'm going to merge together. So just by clicking one and then holding shift and clicking another one, and then you right click, merge layers. I'm just doing this because I find it easier to edit them like when they're all together, because you just get it evenly. So then you just right click, blending options. I'm going to go to inner shadow. What to color overlay. Change the color overlay to the same color that we use for the background. Now you want to go up to inner shadow, choose black as your shadow, and then just, you know, mess around with the settings until you get what you want. See, I reckon that looks pretty good. So I've got the distance on 0, choke on 27, size on 70, and the opacity on 75. Now what you want to do is go to bevel and emboss. You probably don't have to change the settings too much. I sometimes just leave it how it is, but let's say you want a nice crisp edge. You take soften all the way down, make the size a bit bigger, and depth, make sure it's at 1000. I reckon it just gives it the best look. And I normally have where it says gloss contour, I have it as the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one on the top row. Oh no, sorry, fourth one on the top row. I just reckon it makes it a bit darker, it makes it look better. So, and then the last thing you're going to want to do is give it a stroke. So you click on stroke down the bottom and make it white, because it makes it stand out a little bit, and so that it kind of just doesn't blend into the background. And just click OK. Now where you've got your top box here, I normally just like to make that black, because I don't know, I don't really like it, so I just have my writing kind of blending into it. So what you want to do is right click on it, blending options, and then go down to color overlay. It should be set on black, but if not, change it to black. I put the stroke as the same as the others, so on white, and have the size as 1. And then, so that's pretty much what it looks like. And now, this is like an optional thing, but I normally make mine fade at the bottom, so that on your YouTube page, it's not just like color and then stop. So what you want to do is go up to, well, make a new layer. And then you want to go up to where you got your paint bucket, hold it down and click gradient tool. Now you want to click on the gradient bar up the top here, and you want the second one in the top row, and then you want to change the color to black or white. I reckon black works the best, but You can choose white if you want. Okay, now you just want to drag it from the bottom about halfway up. And you see it gives it this nice little fade at the bottom, so it doesn't just end, it sort of gradually goes out. Now what you want to do is, maybe if you want to add text, just click on the text tool here, and then click somewhere on your page, and it should load up the text. Okay, here we go. I normally just put my YouTube channel on there, so Luke13FTW. Might change it to the same purple again, just to keep everything the same. And then I might put some blending options on it. So just right click, blending options. I might give it an outer glow, so just go to outer glow. I'm going to put it as white. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just mess around with the settings to how you like it. And now you go up to edit at the top, go down to transform, and I normally turn it counterclockwise, so you just go rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. It does that. Then you grab your moving tool, which is at the top, and you just move it to where you want. I normally have mine pretty close to the edge, so about there. And well, that's it for your editing. So now what you want to do is save it. So you go up, file, save as, and then you have to change the format to JPEG. And then you just, name it whatever you want. Save it. Make sure that where it says image options, you save the quality as 9. Because if you go to any higher, YouTube doesn't recognize it, so it won't let you upload it. So just make sure it's on 9. Okay, so now you go down to your YouTube channel. Click themes and colors. Show advanced options, and where it says background image, click delete, and then choose a file. This is the one we just made. So there. See, it all fits nicely, and you've got your sort of 3D look to the boxes. Fades out at the bottom. So yeah. Thanks for watching. This is Luke13FTW. Please rate, subscribe, and like. See ya.